Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be attempting my second vlog. Today in this video we're going to be hold on. We're going to be with Nick again, and we got his Tahoe. We're going to be de-badging / we might de-badge them, we're going to black them out first. If we don't like it, we're probably going to de-badge them. So pretty much just gonna be chilling around here today. Nick's getting a resonator delete soon, so we might put this in the same vlog, I don't know. So right now we're just cleaning around the badge so we can prep for the plasti dip. I debadged my car, so I'm just gonna help him out with this one. All you really need is dental floss, and all you want to do is just get like behind the lettering. Here, you can come along closer. And it's so hot out today that, fuck, yours is actually harder.
Yeah, I told you.
Boom. And then you have this nasty shit, which you have to get some goo off and peel that off. How are we doing over here?
Well, I got the hoe left, or I got the hoe done, got the TNA. Here, we finished.
Cool bean, bro.
So what are we doing now?
You're just taking off the residue that was on there. We're almost done.
Yeah. But hey, if you guys ever need a new car, go to Sands Chevy out here in
Stop promoting
Phoenix
yourself.
and Glendale.
Anyways, over here, got the clean black badge Tahoe sign, and we're only on our second coat, so third coat you go heavy. So we'll do that. Alright, so we're probably gonna finish this up tomorrow or something, because Nick, he has to get heading off, and once we do the second part of this, we're probably gonna do the muffler delete, so stay tuned. Resonator, my bad. Right now we're driving to the Muffler Shop, getting Nick's Tahoe a little bit louder. I know.
Yeah, I know.
He's heard it all.
So last time Nick and I came here, we had like 45 minutes to wait, so we went over to Circle K with my car and went to go get it refilled. And so I'm walking out of the door to check the pump number since I was paying in cash. And the guy was standing near the door. He pulled me aside. He's like, "Yo, bro, can you lend me $2.50 or something?"
This guy was so sketchy too.
Yeah, this guy was super sketch.
He looked like he was on drugs.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've never seen someone like him. Actually, I have.
So I'm like, "Sure, bro," and I gave him, I don't know, the desired amount, whatever it was. It was less than like $3.
I think it was $3.
Yeah, and
damn,
limousines. And so 100% thinking back to it, I was so obliged to give him the money just because I feel like I'd get fucked up if I didn't. And this is the place.
Alright, we just arrived. Performance Mufflers.
Yeah.
Hopefully they'll hook us up again. They hooked me
Doesn't
up.
seem like they have too much business right now, so that's good. We don't even have an appointment.
Yeah, hopefully they'll get us in quick. Alright.
Resonator and tip. Yeah.
Get a tip in mind. Prices.
I think I called a couple weeks ago and I think he said it was like $30, but I don't know, I think we were thinking like that one maybe. That one or one of these two?
Let's take the middle best first and put it in here.
They're so not impressed.
I know.
They're like, what the fuck did we just buy?
This guy over here with the ricer exhaust. Shit, hopefully you can hear me.
To you.
What?
Shout out to my homeboy.
Okay, we get it. We get
Yeah, it's been like 3 or 4 minutes.
it. We get it. Is this guy just gonna leave? Oh, here he goes. Let's see. See how this guy goes. Oh, we got Lexus
SC.
SC300.
Yeah.
Squad roll out. Alright, so right now, looks like they just put it on the lift. Gonna get that big old thing chopped off, get some new tips. What kind of tips are you getting? Oh, there he goes, there he goes.
Wow, that's the worst.
That kind of sounds like
that's
a Civic.
So shit. So bad.
Alright, so what kind of tips are you getting?
Don't know yet. Just checking out what's available.
So the 4-inch stainless is 40, the 4-inch black stainless is 45, and the 4-inch in the short version is 25, and then I've got chrome options here that are anywhere from 25 to $40 as well.
Ooh, it's all gone, cut off.
Yeah, but typically we bend it and put it there. It's more popular, but I can do whatever you want to do.
Right, bent.
What? Probably bent to the side, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that would look sick.
Yeah, bent to the far side.
Dude, it's gone. There's no going back.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Well, I mean, no going back, like you said. So
Hopefully it sounds good.
Yeah.
I know
it will.
probably will.
I just gotta wait.
Damn, Nick. You're gonna be so loud. Holy shit.
That is really good.
Nick, what are your thoughts?
It's clean. It's definitely.
That is actually like not bad for a Tahoe. V8 sound pretty good. His card just got declined 4 times, so we now need to drive to a ATM or wherever. Where are we going?
Bank of America.
Bank of America.
Oh, but it sounds good though.
Wait, hold on. Who needs air conditioning when you got windows? Do your first pull. Holy shit! Holy shit! This Miata better be getting a muffler done. I swear. If it is, I want you to wait for it. Dude, where even is the muffler? It's just non-existent.
Yeah, but I love those pop-up headlights.
Dude, I know. Alright, I'll be waiting in the car.
Yep, I took the key, so you can't have air conditioning.
Well, fuck you. Roll down the windows, don't kill me. Son of a bitch. Alright, so Nick just went inside to go pay for his exhaust, and it does sound pretty nice, but then again, it is a Tahoe.
It was $70, but he only charged me $60. So
No, if you pay in cash, they don't charge you extra.
really,
Yeah, I noticed that last time.
holy shit,
Guys, what? Oh my god. Oh my god, I think she saw me. He dropped a gear.
and just disappear.
Dude, I felt like we were gonna go much faster when you dropped a
Well, I
gear.
mean that's 85.
Is it actually?
Yeah, that was
It
85.
didn't. It felt like 60. All right. Not bad, not bad. Real quick before we end today's video, finished product of the blacked out Tahoe. We did that. Front, side badges. We didn't do the front, sorry, my bad. We debadged right here. Same thing with the other side. Look at that thick exhaust pipe.
The sound's gonna be a little bit different on your device, but it sounds a lot greater in real life.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.